All right, lesson 3, we're going to focus on linking and aligning layers. Go ahead and file open your fast2.psd file. If you already have it open, that's great too. So what I want you to do first is make all of the individual letter layers visible in the layers palette. So you'll see we have all these little individual letter layers. We've got an E, an S, a T, an I, a V, an A, and an L. So go ahead and do the click and drag on the visibility icon to activate those individual layers all at once. So you'll see we've got the festival. And our goal here is we want to align all these letters vertically and quickly. So the next thing I want you to do is select all the individual letter layers. And then we're going to link all these layers by clicking on a link layers icon at the bottom of our layer palette. So there's a couple ways you can do this. I'm going to start by clicking on the E, and I'm going to hold down my shift key on my keyboard and slowly make sure that I have all of these individual letters active. And you can tell because they're kind of a lighter shade of gray. And then I want you to locate the little link icon at the bottom of your layers panel. And this is going to link all these layers together so that they move together in my image. So once I have them linked, go ahead with your move tool and you can see they're all going to move together. So even though they're individual layers, they all now are linked and move together, which is really helpful sometimes. The next thing I want you to do is select the Move tool, if you don't already, or hit V on your keyboard, and drag the E under the F logo. So drag it so it's about centered, visually centered nicely underneath your F logo. And this is where it gets fun. Notice, of course, all your other letters moved with your E because they're linked. And then I want to show you this really fun option here at the top of your Move option panel. You've got align left edges, align horizontal centers. I'm going to go ahead and tell you to click on align horizontal centers button just so you can see what happens. And it automatically centered all my letters, individual letters together. And I'm going to drag these and move them right underneath the F icon. The reason this works is because they're linked, and so it's taking all those individual layers, center, and aligning them. Just for fun, go ahead and click on the others just to see what happens. So this is aligning left edges, center, right, and then I don't want you to get into these vertical ones yet, but just know this is very much like Illustrator if you have Illustrator experience, but it's a fast, quick way to align linked layers. Go ahead and click back on align horizontal center. So really great option that I wanted to bring to your attention. Go ahead and make sure you do a file save, and we're going to jump on to our next lesson.